time check, it's 3:23 in the morning. And I've only found out that there was going to be a price hike. Lalabas ako ngayon para lang magpagas. Tatry kong umabot kasi I've read na 6 AM pa daw mag-a-apply yung price hike. Hopefully, by the time I arrive there, it's still the same price kasi may pinagpapagasan ako na 53.60 ang diesel. We've reached our destination. I don't know if you guys are able to see the price. So fast. Abot tayo. Makakapagtipid tayo ng mga roughly 2 pesos din. So that's a huge amount for me. So nagpa full tank ako. Ang trip A ko since full tank ay 276 kilometers. So that's 276.3 divided by 28.48 48. So, ang consumption ko since naghahataw ako 9 kilometers per liter. So, that's actually not bad. Sadly, naiwan ko yung Petron value card ko. So, ayun, wala akong points. That's 1,500 worth of points sana. Sayang. Pero okay lang yun. Better luck next time. Horrible day, boys. And girls, if ever meron na. Guys in general. I was driving yesterday on the way home from office. Standstill traffic sa Nagtahan. Kasi crossing. So may traffic talaga doon to begin with if you guys are familiar with the place. So habang nakatigil ako, naramdaman ko biglang umalog yung kotse. Tapos tumingin pabalik yung motor. And I was hoping that it was just his knee that hit my car, but then it isn't. And so I'm gonna have this fixed by my painter sa Sukat Parañaque. So we're gonna go there now, and hopefully hindi rin siya something too pricey. So let's go to Sukat Parañaque. So kasama ko si Del ngayon, dinadrive niya ang aking accent. Pupunta kami dito kay Mang Kenny. Papa-inquire namin kung magkano yung damage. So, as I said a while ago, sana nothing too serious.
There he is. Talaga tungkos na.
Andito tayo ngayon sa pintor natin, si Mang Kenny. Mang Kenny, hello!
Hello!
Hello! Ayan, so... wala na adventure. Accent na.
Ganda ng mags mo.
Ay, salamat. So yan, papa-assess natin yung damage kay Mang Kenny.
Pang ano talaga yan ha? Pang... Laki ng kalawang ito.
Malaki kalawang?
Oo. Ay, oo nga no. Pangga pala yan eh. Parang punit pa.
Kaya natin tama yan.
Masilihan. Damay na lang yan. Yan ang mahirap eh. Kasi pag nabulok yan, ang hirap i-repair.
Ano siya? Part siya ng ano? Body?
Hindi pala siya side skirt.
Feeling ko kaka-jackstand yan eh.
Hindi. Hanggang dito yan o. Ang lalim.
So, all in all, inabot lang 5,000. So, babalik ako dito Monday para papinturahan na. And iiwan ko buong linggo. Tapos ngayon, uuwi muna tayo kasi ang ginawa natin is nagpa-coat lang. So, yun nga yung coat, 5K. Well, yun na yun, 5K. Buff wax sa katawan, tapos touch up sa mga gasgas. And yung pinakamalaking gasgas nun, allotted ata dun sa gilid ko, 2.5. Tapos yung other 2.5 will go to the petty scratches that I have all around the body. And we found out na merong kalawang sa ilalim, so idadamay na rin yun sa 5,000. So yeah, time to go back to our house. So yay, andito na tayo sa GSST. Time to have our fog lights installed. Hopefully bumagay siya. What I'm very worried about is I am not used to having something with chrome over here because nasanay ako sa itsura nung may fog light holder. Pero hopefully bumagay. Let's see the results later and habang ginagawa and syempre after magawa. So si Boss Julius ulit at si Boss Archie babaklasin yung bumper this time para i-fit yung fog light that we bought from Shopee. And going back to the story that I mentioned a while ago, actually functional naman siya. Merong 1, 2, 3 screw holes that are gonna be usable. However, the fourth one sa dulo, wala siya. So, itong mga butas dito, feeling ko gawan lang ng paraan ng zip tie yan para hindi umaalog-alog sa dulo. Pero feeling ko naman hindi siya aalog kasi as is hindi umaalog. Pero yun nga, I'm trying to get a hold of the Shopee seller so that I can get some kind of refund, but to no avail. Medyo mahirap sila makontak. I think may language barrier because auto-translate lang ng Shopee yung communication namin. So if you guys are curious about how the car looks like without a bumper, that's how it looks like. And dito nakalagay yung blow-off valve niya. Medyo malayo sa intake and sa turbo. Kaya I think ang haba rin ng travel ng hangin, which gives me more turbo lag. And I don't know what kind of horn these are. Malakas pero ang pangit ng tunog. So authenticity of this blow-off valve, I'm not really sure then. However, the Apexi intercooler, I am very sure of this na original to. Correct me if I'm wrong though. But this HKSS SQV blow-off valve, not really sure. So yun nga. That's 1, 2, 3. Snug naman yung fit, however sayang kasi wala dun. Pero functional pa rin naman yan. Sayang nga lang. Labor wise, kayang-kaya pala, no? Kahit ako maglagay niyan, malalagay ko. Pero di ko mapapagana. Papadaanin yan dun hanggang doon sa switch, dun sa aking driver side. Nagulat ako dito sa mga to. Bigla ako binigyan ng kape, nakikita ata kantok ako. Inaalagaan ako dito eh, pinakain, pinashot. For context, 3 oras lang ang aking tulog dahil on the grind si Jico. Buhay kotse. Hindi madali buhay ng sarili tapos may kotse ka. Para kami anak. Parang may anak eh. Saan dami nag-aalaga. Sana gumana yung fog lights. So ito itsura niya with the fog lights on. Okay naman. Pero gagawin pa nating dilaw yan. But yeah, nagawa ng paraan yung putol na bracket. Not a big deal kasi may 3 pa naman. But that's how it looks right now. I think it looks good. So we've reached our destination. Kasama ko ulit si Lo. So ayun, may mga naka garage na kotse dito. Yung iba for maintenance, yung iba for display. TE37, nakapanggatong lang. AE wagon,
Then bulletproof na LC.
Bulletproof LC. Meron ditong Nissan Patrol and Para. Ito ba yung Navara na naka 20s na naka speaker? Uy, may hindi ako nakita. Is this 300ZX?
Original.
300ZX.
Walang bakit.
Tapos is FJ, correct ba?
Static.
Static FJ. Na merong JDMU badge, pakita natin. Pero before tayo mag happy, pakita ko sa inyo yung katangahan na ginawa ko. In my defense, ang taas ng bumper ko. Pero nakalimutan ko. Naka-tie wrap and zip ties lang yung fender liner ko. So, natanggalan ako ng fender liner sa kaliwa. Thankfully, fender liner lang. Nothing serious. I think kaya pa remedyo yan eh. Pang! Walang fender liner. Pero I'm kind of glad na dito na rin nangyari kasi sumasayad talaga siya na kaysa kainin ang gulong ko, dito na lang nangyari. So wala tayong fender liner sa kaliwa ngayon. So this week, marami talaga tayong panalo at saka talo. Fucked up pero part of the car life. Expensive mistakes. But I guess we learn through mistakes. And without mistakes, there are no learnings. Wow, all around. For now, my week ends here because it's the weekend. And it's 5:30 p.m. And officially, EOB na, end of business time. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Mid Kids.